Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I know you're probably wondering why you can see my car in the reflection of my sunglasses. That's because I'm kneeling down here on top of Chelan Butte, hiding from the wind. You can probably also see there's Sarah on her phone. And we got the dog. Okay, so here's the thing. It's super windy up here. I'm going to probably start by showing you some of the amazing views. It might end up being a voiceover. We're going to go look at a pit that we found. Now this pit has what appears to be quartz crystal, possibly some fluorite. Yeah, we'll go check that out. The road coming up here, well, the Subaru made it. I don't think a car would make it. There's some big rocks, there's some pits, it's washboarded. I would have preferred to have my truck, but you know, is what it is. Let's walk around, check out the view, and we'll go look at some rocks and grab some. That's Lake Chelan down there. So up here, I guess you can take off for hang gliding. You can see we got a fire going on out there. That's the radio towers. Well, here's the view from up here. It's hard to beat it. We were walking around up here looking around. Sarah saw that right over there. Can you recognize that? Hopefully you can, because that's, well, that's a hole. That is the clear pile of, well, a human. It's quite windy up here. So this is one of the hang glider takeoffs. So you can just start up there and run with your hang glider, and it just kind of drops off here. Yeah, here's the hole. Now we already walked over here and checked it out. It's quite impressive. People have been working on it for some time now. Now look at this. That is quite the pile of work here. You can see Sarah there, and well, how deep that hole is. It's got to be easily 8 feet down. So let's look at the pile here. Oh, hey. Here, check that out.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so why don't you take that one?
It's like the same.
Oh, wow.
This is
Yeah.
so worth taking.
Yeah, let's take them. Yeah, I got the camera held at head height here, so you can kind of see. I mean, it's at least, well, it's probably more like 6 foot in here. It's kind of nice, so there's no wind. But clearly this is the rock that they're working. It's interesting. I see more in the tailings pile than I do over here. Yeah, there's some kind of like black little crystals here that I can't really identify. Take it though, figure it out at the house. I think that could be good cleaned up. Iron out, get that all nice and clean. That could look really good. So this is what we're taking, and well, we gotta do some cleaning up, and then we can get this back into the shop and, well, actually look at what we have here. But overall, I think this stuff is going to be pretty good. The wind's giving me a break here for a moment. Probably wrap this stuff up in some foil so it doesn't get damaged between here and our other spots. That view is pretty awesome. Let's go out there and look at it real quick. Well, we're back in the shop now, and I have the pieces that we collected up at Chelan Butte, which first off is absolutely stunning. I mean, it's a gorgeous area. Unfortunately, it's not really car friendly. Subaru truck will get you up there. I thought this was funny. I found a golf ball up there, right? And clearly when they had the fire up there, like, it kind of melted, and I thought that was kind of funny. It's a very wrinkled up. So yeah, I got this partially melted golf ball too, which I don't know. It tickles my funny bone a little bit. So clearly this stuff still needs to be cleaned up, but really, you know, is part of kind of a bigger trip that we were doing, and it is one of those things where I'll definitely be going back and doing some additional investigation. We have clear crystallization. Here's one piece that I did throw in some iron out, so not 100% clean, but kind of clean. So we do have crystals. This is another piece, which I think is the area. Like I said, the area has promise for sure. Like, multiple interesting pits up there, broad hillsides, rhyolitic dikes, on and on. I mean, you know. Yeah, I mean, unfortunately right now all of my trays are kind of being occupied, so I couldn't clean all of these things up, but, you know, I feel like there's more up there. There's more up there. Let's see, what else we got here? Yeah, there's just interesting pockets of crystal in all of this material. Well, all of the info is going to be on the website, along with, eventually, I will have my trays available, and we'll do a big cleanup, and photos will get added to the listing. So if you're watching this in the future, perhaps, definitely click the link down below to go to the location listing, and I'm sure there will be additional photos for the material. I think we're going to leave that one there, everybody. Well, yeah, I appreciate you coming by, checking out my stuff, and I'll have to catch you on the next one. Thanks. Thank you so much for watching my entire video. If you like the content that I'm producing here on this channel and you want to support the content even further, you can do so by becoming a channel member by hitting the join button down below. The membership comes with a growing library of exclusive videos and just great other extra content. So just follow the links down below, and I will see you on the next video.